Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to edit shorts in DaVinci Resolve. So first you need to download DaVinci, go to DaVinci and then click the first one right here. It will show that DaVinci is now starting to download. Once done, you can now install and then run this as administrator. Wait for a couple of minutes and you should see this one. Just follow the on-screen prompt and then once done, then you can now open a DaVinci Resolve. Make sure that you have enough space because DaVinci Resolve needs a huge space on your PC or a laptop. So this is what it looks like. Now, once done, you can go to your start menu and then look for DaVinci, open. It's time to create a new file. So basically, if your video is not 916 that is intended or the size for shorts like YouTube shorts, so you need to make sure that the size is 916. So here you need to type shift plus 9 or go to the settings or this gear icon and try to change something for the project settings. For the master settings, timeline format, for timeline resolution, you can choose 1080, 1920. Also for timeline frame rate, it should be 30 or 60 if you shot 60. So if preferences are okay, then you can now proceed, but everything is up to you. You can change whatever settings you like here. So once done, you can now import your video. So tap on the media right here, import the media. And now I'm currently adding the video, which is the size 916. So this one is really intended for shorts. And you can just basically go to the upper side of the DaVinci Resolve and then look for the specific feature that you want to use here. So you just have to drag clips to the timeline and then trim, toggle snapping, and then you can add zoom in, keyframe. You can add effects, titles, text. Everything is easy. You just have to go to the upper side. You can see everything here. So in order for you to add effects, you just have to select that effect and then drag it directly to the video. Also, if you want to add text and so on, you just have to go to this part to add or to edit your shorts here in DaVinci Resolve. Now, you can also see transition and motion. You can color. You can also add audio here. And once you're done, you can export. So always remember that for the format, it should be MP4 as much as possible. Resolution 1080 by 1920. Frame rate, match timeline. File name. And then save render preset as much as possible for future exports. And that's it. So basically, that's how easy it is to edit shorts in DaVinci Resolve. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.